friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's day 23 of my November 2023 Tag-A-Day series. For my American friends, happy Thanksgiving. Let's see what I used to create today's tag. Honeybee Hugs and Kisses gem stickers. I don't know that these are still available. If they are, I'll link them in the description box below. Some old Stampin' Up! Gingham Gala 6x6 paper, designer series paper. The Cat Scrappiness stitched scallop nesting tags, and the Simon Says Stamps Greeting Mix 1. Such an amazing selection of greetings. And here is my tag today. I didn't quite know what I wanted to do. I'm running short on time, so I knew I just wanted to have a sentiment and not an image to color. And when I opened up that Gingham Gala pack of paper, there were all these shapes already like cut out, like this circle and like this strip and stuff. So I just went with it. I thought it was fun with all those different plaids, fun colors. Today will be awesome, and today will be awesome because we are eating lots of food. Sorry about that blink there. Our power kind of flickered. Cardstock on the back, ribbon, and there's my easy peasy tag, but colorful and cute. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you tomorrow for day 24. Have a great day.